Why is the officer waiting?
One, your lordship has asked him to come by.
What is this? Again, you have to be called.
They have made an allegation that we have taken a check, and he is filing an affidavit, my lord. No such checks have been either received by him or his officers. He's made a thorough verification, my lord. Nobody has received such check.
How do you demonstrate that you gave checks? How do you demonstrate that you gave checks, sir?
Affidavit sir, ready my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ
I'll take notice for the second respondent, not the
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್?
complainant.
The petitioner, my lord, in fact, my lord, your lordship has stated on the ground that IOS coercing, etc. The
Oh.
unfortunate incident, my lord, that the petitioner, the complainant is the victim in the hands of the petitioner.
What is it?
They've managed to get out the entire jewelry which she has, pledged it in the bank account, and sold it to the jewelry, taken the money, and taken the entire money for them. And similarly, my lord, they've done
Why
4 other
did she
cases.
give it to the petitioner?
They say, my lord, that there was some transaction they wanted to do, etc. All those things is false, and they make the claim saying that.
All right, crime register ಆಗಿದೆ, investigate ಮಾಡಿ.
But they projected.
What is this?
No, they projected as if there are 4 different cases, my lord. They target only these kind of people who are in a not in a.
Yes, sir. Why did you part with your jewelry?
I'll take not the.
Huh?
I'll take instruction.
And anyway, this case, my lord, that they claim that the property, my lord, the document your lordship may see the sale deed and agreement to sale deed and other things. It's all they say that, my lord, the 96 lakhs rupees has been paid, but the cancellation says, my lord, only 3 lakhs rupees. The very inception itself shows that there is a.
Anyway, we'll hear it. Let him not come again. Affidavit ಹಾಕಿದಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
Lordship
we'll
may
tell.
Further investigation, my lord. Let us continue investigation, my lord, because.
Yes, investigation ನಡೀಲಿ.
My lord, we are filing.
They will not
affidavit,
file.
my lord. We are filing affidavit to the effect how they have tortured my lord.
Will not.
Tortured.
My lord, in this case, my lord, property was purchased. I have filed writ petition seeking police protection way back in the month of my lord, 24/9/24. I have lodged a complaint to the commissioner of police and about the torture given by the husband of the complainant, my lord. She repeatedly filed complaints.
My lord, in fact, my lord.
My lord, you have
that is
produced all those
Torture
documents.
given by the husband of the complainant.
Yes, that is also, my lord, it's false. Petitioner, the complainant is present. In fact, she herself files a complaint before the Human Rights Commission and says that at the hands of
Anyway,
the petitioner,
now-
it's
My
been
lord,
done.
yes, sir.
We will permit investigation.
My lord, we have produced all those documents, my lord. In fact, my lord, your lordship can return to.
No,
sell
we'll
the-
direct them not to file the final report, but investigation let them.
Yes.
continue.
My lord, now, my lord.
ಇದೆ ಹೆಂಗು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದು.
Other hearing ಇದೆ.
ಈಗ ಇರ್ಲಿ.
There are 4 other similar cases, man, as against.
Whatever.
Direct them to return the checks, my lord, which have obtained force.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರೆ. ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್
We have
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
filed affidavit, my lord.
ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್
We have filed
ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್.
affidavit.
Nobody has ಯಾವ ಚೆಕ್
CC camera,
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
let them produce the CC camera, my lord. It is
What-
all
Let
recorded in the.
Let them show, my lord. We will, if there is
My
any
lord,
documents
CCTV
for them
in the
to
police
show.
station, my lord.
ಆ ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
Please, my lord.
ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು?
And he made a statement saying that this officer has
One
received it.
Check
Let him
number-
show, my lord.
ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸರ್?
We have stated so, my lord.
ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸರ್?
Check number, my lord.
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 7316
76136.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Those checks will not be encashed.
We will give stop
Stop
payment
payment
for those
kodi.
checks.
Let them.
Let the investigation go on. They will not file their final report.
Lords, I just wanted to say this, Lords. Because there is no question of even permitting the investigation.
Why?
to go on. Lords, the reason is this. Lords, may kindly have a look at the complaint. I'll not take more than a minute of your Lordship's time.
Yes.
Lords, Annexure A is the sale deed.
Mm.
Sale deed comes into existence.
Hmm.
The complaint is given. If your Lordships were to take the complaint, there is no reference to an incident which takes place on 29/4 or 34.
What is the complaint
The
about?
complaint is with reference to an incident which is said to have taken place on 22nd.
What incident?
Lords, the complaint says that she was taken to the sub-registrar's office on 22nd and she was made to execute the documents. She came to know about the execution of these documents after 4 months. Then she divulged it with the husband. But she doesn't say anything. Lord, the reason why I'm submitting this is ultimately what she wants to say is the entire consideration which is required to come under the sale deed is not come to me. We have documents to show, my lords, that whatever checks were given, the checks to the extent they were presented have already been encashed
By the complainant.
by the complainant. 2 checks is not presented, the same is not encashed, but we have sufficient funds in our account. No, the law which is declared by the Supreme Court is once a sale deed is executed and even if the consideration is not paid, a person is not permitted to come and agitate that they want a cancellation of the
And
sale deed.
what is the jewelry that you have stolen?
Lords, so far as A1 is concerned,
Hmm.
Lords, A1 and A2, there are three parts, Lords, to this complaint. First part of the complaint is pertaining to the sale deeds. Lords, consistently, she has given complaint, Lords, to various authorities. She sends a legal notice through her lawyer saying that I have executed the sale deed. My husband is coming in the way and then he is trying to meddle with this transaction. Therefore, give protection to me. This is the complaint which has been filed consistently. The second realm of complaint is against accused 3 and 4. And accused number 6 is the recipient of the ornaments, gold ornaments. Her complaint.
Who is accused number 6?
Lords, accused number 6 is the merchant who had taken the gold on pledge. And then what happens now? I'm just producing the documents. Even so far as this
Now,
grievance
which,
is
you are accused number 1.
I am accused number 1. I am only the recipient, Lords, the beneficiary of the sale deed. Lords,
You have purchased the property from her.
yes, if she
Where-
has
where-
not initiated any civil proceedings till
Where is
date,
the sale deed? That is
annexure A. If your lordships were to see,
Consideration paid.
Lords, 1 crore 66 lakhs. 1 crore 40 lakhs they have encashed. 2 checks are with them. Even if they present it now, it will be encashed.
Now what is the grievance? Higher rate barbeku anta.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ Milords, what they said, Milords, the husband somehow was not keen to part with this property, which is the absolute property of this wife, which has come from her maternal sources. Now husband wanted to meddle with this. She has given multiple complaints against the husband, saying that there is no way that the husband can interfere because this is my property. Let him not interfere. Give me protection. Having said this, now she clubs it. Milords, the actual issue is that she doesn't go to the police station to give a complaint. Husband takes the signature and then goes to the police station and gives the complaint.
Hmm.
She has never gone to the police station.
All right. Now
And-
what is this check and check problem?
Milords, so far as the check is concerned, once this complaint is lodged, we are gone to the police station. The original document, Milords, the original of this sale deed is seized by them. I really fail to understand if
Why-
there is
why
no
did the
grievance.
police seize?
Yes, police has seized my original sale deed.
Where is the sale deed, sir? Idea.
Seized with the mother.
It is seized.
Seized with PF.
Yes, yes.
Now, the question is, if under civil law, she is not in a position to even seek for cancellation of the sale deed, can she arm twist me by initiating criminal proceedings? And that is what the police are now doing, are favoring her.
What merited consideration was that her jewelry is taken away.
That's the reason why I said, if there is any relativity between the
One-
jewelry, that's a
one-
different matter, my lords. That's why I said, so far as this jewelry is concerned, a separate complaint was lodged. My lords, in that complaint, the entire amount of 47 lakhs, which is said to have been taken upon pledging the jewelry, goes back to A6. A6 has given a statement that he has given it back to the complainant. Complainant has also given a statement saying that I have received the entire jewelry and we have settled the matter. This statement is recorded by police station.
Where is that?
Kindly have a look at this. My lords, I'll just pass on our statements.
One
Inno
issue, my
the
lord.
statement.
Due to stay operation, we have not
Oh,
able
that's all right.
No, one issue.
No,
my
1
lord.
minute. Ivaru sale deed ಎಲ್ಲ consideration
No,
ತಗೊಂಡು
that is where I'm coming, my lord. In fact, the one account has been opened in our name, operated by them. Your lordship allow us to
very
continue investigation. We will
small
place all those material, my lord. In fact,
operated by them.
by them, account is
Page
opened.
So
operated by-
1.66 crores has not come to the account.
Page 6 of the complaint, not para 2. She has narrated.
ಆಯ್ತು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್
I
ಅವರಿಗೆ.
will give it. my lord.
I'll give all whatever you have now filed here, give it a copy of
I
it.
will share a copy with
And
them.
ACP affidavit ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದೆ.
Our copy.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Let's see.
Please, the timeline which transpired in this case, my lord.
ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು affidavit.
Investigation papers ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Investigation papers ಎಲ್ಲ
Investigation
affidavit.
affidavit.
Affidavit ನಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೇ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. ನಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ ಚರಿತ್ರ ನಾವೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಏನಿದು?
The entire investigation so far, and then the issue of,
You said they have opened an account in
yes,
her
that we
name.
could not
and-
investigate.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. And they are operating it.
Yes,
Which bank? What is that?
What they have done is deposit 15 lakhs, withdraw that money, again deposit,
Into whose account?
same account.
And the check
Why did she sign the
check and
signature?
debit card of that account is seized from their custody.
No. The allegation in the complaint itself is against A2 and A3. There is a separate complaint which was registered in respect of this bank account.
And why have you not filed for cancellation of sale deed?
Practically, no, my lord, Has come up now.
If you are aggrieved by that, you should take recourse to manner not to law.
My lords, one thing which remains is this. If this is a sale deed which is executed, my lords, in the month of April, if they have not taken recourse to even any civil proceedings till date, then initiation of criminal proceedings is an act of mischief.
We'll consider it.
Yes.
Yes.
Or the interim order may be extended till then.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next.
Great.
The presence of ACP, subdivision police, is present before the court. His presence is noted and his presence in future proceedings is dispensed with. Only when called you can come. Yes.
Please.